This module will show you how to modify, update a chapter definition form on the website. And when you use this is basically when you have a chapter that's featured in a month in a newsletter, or you want to feature it on the About Us slideshow under Meet Your Chapters. So you want to add photos or a story, make it more interesting. So let me show you how to do that. You basically go to Administer, since it's an existing chapter. You go to Content, and here, like before, you basically filter on. Let me undo the filter here so I can show you what I'm talking about. You select here chapter definition form, you filter it based on that criteria, and you will get a list of all the chapters that are on the database. We already have 50 pages long, so this is the list way of, you basically have to now look through and find. If you know the chapter name specifically and where it is on the map, you basically you can come through it this way. You can go Get Involved, find the chapter. So I'm showing you a couple of ways, and you know this is it's a chapter in San Jose, California, that you want to add photos and text to it. So basically you gotta zoom in, double clicking, or use this control right here. It works like a Google map. It is. And let's get to San Jose. It's up north here, so hang with me a second. Here we go. So there's San Jose. So let's click on it a little more, and you can basically click here and find out which one you want. Now you can see all the different chapters in San Jose, for example, right? And let's see, I want to update Nancy Takaichi's and Joanne Roberts. So from here you can basically click on this chapter. It brings you to this page. You've logged in as an admin, which has edit rights. Then you click on this edit tab, and you go to the chapter description field. You click here and say you want to add a photo. There's an interesting photo. So what you do now, you go to this icon here, insert edit image. It's a tree. You click on that. You get this pop-up window, and you want to browse to an image URL. And you go to images here, highlight this. This is important because you want to put all the images in this folder on the website. And you want to go to upload. This basically now takes you to your hard drive. So you want to click browse, and it takes you to folders on your hard drive. And here, let me find the picture that is pertinent to this. So I'll go to the website, Get Involved, and here's a photo from Nancy's chapter. Double click on it. It shows here, you upload. Now it's going to upload to the website right here, and you basically can see the photo right here. That's the one I want. Now this step is important. You have to say send to TinyMCE. So you got to go here and click that. That basically inserts that link or URL onto this pop-up, and you say, this is a couples chapter. So you say couples chapter first meeting. This image description text will basically, I'll show you what that does. You hit insert, and there it is. So you click on it, and you can size the photo any way you want. Make it a little smaller like that. And now you want to add some text. So here's a photo of the couples having a meeting, and the text is in a Word document. Alright, so this is a step that you need to follow very carefully. You go to your Word document, and here's the article that Nancy wrote about it. You select all the text. Control A in Word will do a select all. Control C does the copy into the clipboard. And here's a step that's important. You gotta put this in a notepad. So if you're using a Windows computer, it's a notepad, and on Macintosh or on a Mac there's a similar way to do this. Hopefully you know. So you go Control V, so you paste that text, and basically that strips all the formatting from Word out, creates a generic without any specific formats. You do a Control A again from the notepad, selects everything. Control C copies it again. Now you go to back to the website, chapter description right here. You're gonna now do a Control V, which pastes that text from the notepad into the website. And let's bold this. This is the title, and you can, if you want, you can make it bigger. You can go 4 point, for example. All right, that's it. Now you have a photo, an image that you added to this chapter. You have the text from one of the chapter leaders. And here, just you can make a separate line. This is the contact information that Nancy volunteered to help folks with. And all you have to do now is remember to save. So you just click Save, and you give a confirmation message here in the screen banner saying it was updated. You take a look. If it looks like what you wanted to do, you are done. You basically go to the next one.